everyone, Cheryl here today, and today I wanted to share with you the unboxing of Club Echo Park. This is the March kit for 2023, and so let's go ahead and get started. And so this is how it comes. It comes in a box, and then I just got this the other day, and so they do give you the inspiration sheet. And so you get that, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to just put everything in one of my little sleeves. So this month it was called Here, There, and Everywhere. And so this is the paper. This is the 6x6 pad you get. And there's some cute papers in here. So I figured I'll just show you really quick. I love the floral, and then they give you the tags, but they're all double-sided, so you could pick and choose. And there's the flowers, and then there's some more flowers, and then stripes, and the cameras, some cute prints, and the bees. And some green polka dot, some more floral, and I think we're getting to the last, I think. Oh, that one's super cute. And so that's the 6x6. And then you do get on this, in this month, I guess we're getting washi tape. So no stamps in this month. It's the washi tape instead, I believe. And it's cute. I'm not much for washi tape, but I guess whatever I make with this, I'll have to try to use it. So the ephemera pack, and so that's pretty much all the little tags you get on the back to kind of show you. So you do get that. And then these are the chipboard pieces. And then the enamel dots. And then this is the 12x12 pack. So I'm going to just put that box over there for now. So in the 12x12 pack, you get the sticker sheet. And so this is the sticker sheet. I do love the banners and the happy. I'll end up using a lot of the tags in this, and there's some butterflies. And there is some little tags that have little, I love you, for you, happy day, and all that. And so I'll probably use those up. Now I am keeping the plastic sleeves that all their paper comes in, because I have been using them to organize some other papers. So this is the 12x12 sheet you get. So you get that one. And this is definitely a different texture. Must be the Cartabella. Yeah, it's the Cartabella. Super cute floral. And then the stripes. And here's the cameras. And that. And I'll just show you. I do love the baby blue. I love this one. It's super cute, right? And then with the check. I'm hoping they come out with like a shabby chic or something a little different away from the black floral. And so we'll see what they come out with next. And that one, and then there's this one, and then you get that one with the banners. And this is really pretty. I do love this one, and the polka dots. And so that's what you get with this month's or with this, March's. This was March's Club Echo Park kit. And so I hope you enjoyed my video today. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. And thank you for stopping by. Have a good day.